Almost every industry is witnessing a shift towards compact, sleek, and densely packed electronic designs that incorporate greater bandwidth for transmitting data, video, and other multimedia content. Flat, flexible cables are an ideal solution for patient monitoring equipment, doctor and patient communication devices, medical medicine cabinet dispensing machines, and medical 3D printers. Molex Premo-Flex flat, flexible cables deliver robust performance and superior signal integrity over long distances, and are ideal for medical applications as well as the industrial, telecom and datacom, consumer, and appliance markets. Molex Premo-Flex FFC cables are available in 0.25 to 1.25 mm pitch sizes. These off-the-shelf products with 4 to 80 available circuits offer exceptional durability and flexibility. Designers can optimize their use of PCB space, lower component costs, and ensure reliable board-to-board connections for their devices. Premo-Flex FFC cables provide greater retention force between cables and connectors and have high flex life cycles to ensure a reliable connection. They also deliver superior signal integrity in applications that require high speed or controlled impedance over long distances, with options supporting LVDS data rates up to 10 gigabits per second. Molex also offers engineering support for customization, with options including printing insert lines on the cables or text, folded features, connectorless termination, component soldering, and more. Molex offers global manufacturing support and competitive lead times for custom and off-the-shelf Premo-Flex FFC cables. Molex Easy-On FFC connectors complement the Premo-Flex FFC cables. Some connectors and cables produce an audible click, indicating proper mating. The connectors ensure proper cable alignment and high retention force, as well as zero insertion force, providing designers a complete one-to-one interconnect solution. To learn more about Molex Premo-Flex flat flexible cable jumpers and Easy-On FFC connectors, visit Sager.com.